Hello everybody, this is Mr. Bowman. Today we're going to be looking at the ALEX topic, finding the first terms of an arithmetic sequence using an explicit rule. So, just a reminder that explicit rule there means it's something where I can just plug in the term and it will come out correctly. I don't need to find all the preceding terms for it to work. Alright, so we have the first four terms of the sequence given by the following. And there's a formula that's got a little bit messed up when I tried to print it out. So it's a sub n, not times n, and then 54 plus 7 times the quantity n minus 1. When our terms are this normals starting at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 would be the first term, 2 would be the second term, 3 would be the third term, etc. Okay. So we're looking for the first four terms. So I'm going to try and plug in 1, 2, 3, and 4 for this sequence and see what I get. So let's go ahead and do those separately. So I'm going to start by finding a sub 1, which is my first term. So that means I'm plugging 1 in for n. And I have 54 plus 7 times 1 minus 1. So I'm replacing that n with my 1 there. So a1 equals 54 plus 7 times 0, 1 minus 1. So that's going to drop out entirely, and I get my first term being 54. So we're going to move on to A2, because remember I'm going all the way A1 to A2, A3, and stopping at A4, because it just wants the first four terms here. So I'm going to do the same thing, but instead of plugging 1 in, I'm going to plug in 2 for n. But it's still 54 plus 7, and then 2 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1, so that just turns into 7. So 54 plus 7 is going to be 61. A3, same pattern, 54 plus 7 times 3 minus 1 this time. So 7 times 2, so 14 here. So I end up with 68. All right, I'm slightly running out of room, so I'm just going to move down here. Find A4, 54 plus 7 times 4 minus 1. So 7 times 3 is 21. So I'm going to end up with 75. Okay. So I'm going to list them out. So 54 is my first term, then 61, 68, and then 75. And those are my first four terms.